answer my request. Stop picturing yourself without the best. This is not another test. Don't you know you got the best? I was here and there. I've been everywhere for you. So don't tell me you don't know what to do. There's only so much a boy can take. There's only so much of this and that.
My name is Deborah. You're at the right place if you're looking to get expert information on indoor air quality and to locate a qualified mold removal expert in your area. I've always kept a healthy home, but